Today on Taste Test, we are trying almost every single cheese from Trader Joe's. I am so excited. Gab, how are you feeling?
Beyond excited, but we have a lot to
We have so many
get
cheeses. Oh my gosh. Okay, brie with truffles. Yeah, let's start there.
I love the flavor of truffle, but I don't like the smell of truffle. It's a little,
Creamy.
it's a little creamy. There's almost like a powdered mushroom quality to
Yeah.
this.
Do you want me to keep serving you over here, or you want to grab it?
please serve
Here.
me. I love being served.
Oh my gosh.
I have this often.
Me too. I buy this for every like cheese spread, cheese board party.
This is great baked.
Yeah.
If you want to do like a puff pastry with the brie inside.
So good, you guys. Oh,
Just a classic, all around great brie. All right, this one, I like saw the name and now I'm into this.
Unexpected cheddar.
What does that mean?
I think it's a
Serve me.
combo of parm and cheddar together, if I remember.
But why is it unexpected? Like,
Because
I
it's so good. It's because. That's a
I'm
good
going, I'm
question.
going.
It's a great question.
Oh, that's good. As you're chewing, you get
Yeah.
a little bit of a texture.
I think that's from the parm, because really good parm has
Yeah.
that.
Wow.
Yeah.
This is unexpectedly good.
This is really bad, but I feel like it looks like a bar of soap.
Oh, it does. It looks like a Lush bar.
Yes.
It does. Right, cheers.
Cheers. Oh.
The white Stilton.
Yeah.
Oh.
Oh.
That's like all the unpleasantness of biting into a raisin that you don't like with like the funk of cheese.
It tastes like a dried pastry.
Yeah, this ain't it.
Wouldn't
Sorry, guys.
would not recommend. Maybe this is better because I actually do like cranberry.
Okay. So no
Why did I
honey,
take such a
dog.
big bite?
Cheddar and gruyere melange.
I hope we can redeem ourselves here.
All right.
Okay, I'm
I
gonna
like
start-
this. It's like a springy, nice.
I
It's a
like
little
it.
more mild than I was expecting.
Me too. I wish there was an emphasis on the gruyere and not the cheddar.
It's fine. I wouldn't eat it on its own. It's like meant to be cooked with.
Processed.
Yeah.
I'm so excited for this one.
I love a good like wheel of cheese.
Look at how cute it is. Look at the back. It looks like a beautiful design, like a beautiful.
Gorgeous.
Gorgeous. It could be like a wood floor. Oh, I love this.
Very good. This is what I wanted the cheddar and gruyere to taste like.
Yes. This reminds me of Manchego cheese though, which would make sense because it's
Yeah.
a mini Basque.
Yeah.
Basque region of Spain. Manchego is from
But
Spain.
it's smoother than
Yes.
Manchego's a little more crumbly.
Yes. I'm so glad we tried this. I'm gonna buy
They're like
this.
cheese detectives.
It looks like a piece of dessert.
It looks like a pound cake. Surprisingly mushy.
Sticky.
Wow.
Oh.
Oh,
Wait, it's so good.
it's really good.
This is not cheese.
Yeah, if you didn't tell me this was cheese, I would think it was a pound cake.
Absolutely. Yeah, we're not even halfway done yet.
Oh my God.
We better go. Okay.
Again with the truffles.
Maybe this will be better because it's Italian.
Everything's better Italian.
It just actually has no flavor. It tastes like nothing, honestly.
It's like nothing. This is maybe one of the best cheeses ever.
What?
Dare I say? All right, I'm gonna serve you.
Okay. Oh my gosh, please.
Okay, Gab.
All right. I hope it lives up to the hype. Oh, this is really good. It has those little flecks when you bite into like a really good Parmesan Reggiano cheese.
And you can totally eat the rind because you got that wine soaking.
This tastes expensive.
You're welcome. You're welcome, world.
Are you a Monterey Jack fan?
I don't dislike Monterey Jack. I feel like sometimes it can be bland, like if it's not a really good one.
Yeah. Ooh, I got a little kick.
It's got a little kick.
This is great. I
Yeah.
would love to cook with
This is
this.
good.
This would be another cheese I would grate and use like a grated
Totally.
cheese. Are you a fan?
I love gorgonzola. This is a controversial cheese.
Yeah, it's very
Like,
polarizing. I
Very
think.
polarizing. This has a personality.
It has a strong
A
personality.
strong personality. All right, let's go. That's actually not like the craziest gorgonzola I've ever had.
It doesn't like smack you in
Yeah.
the face. So good. I imagine this like crumbled in a salad.
Totally.
Okay, this has so many names.
Good.
I don't know about this one.
It's doing too much. I can already tell.
But it smells good.
It smells like onion dip.
You need to be eating like salty
Yeah.
ruffles with this.
This is like a Super Bowl
This
cheese.
is it.
Like you got your wings, you got your chips,
Yeah.
you got your Cotswold double. Oh,
What?
I know this cheese. It's got like a, this is like a serious cheese.
Oh.
If you have this cheese on your board, people are gonna be like, they know what they're doing.
Oh. It's really sweet from the start,
Very.
and it's so creamy.
The black pepper is not strong. It's really on the rind.
I get what you mean by serious. Like it's elevated,
Yes,
but it's not like overpowering.
totally.
Oh, I'm so excited for the next one.
Camembert.
Come on, babe.
See, this is the right kind of fancy to me. Like,
Yeah.
the Cotswold double, like, that's nonsense. This, do we want a cracker with this?
I guess, except for I've never really tried it by itself.
All right, let's be pure about it. I wasn't served.
I'm sorry. It's now we're on your side of the table.
Cheese doesn't taste as good if it's not served to you. Ugh. This is like a stick of butter.
That is melt
This
in
is-
your mouth, buttery lusciousness.
Luscious. I love mushrooms, I love cheese.
But a triple cream, it's like,
a
let's
lot of
try it.
good elements. Let's see how they are together.
I like this one way better than the brie with truffles.
Totally.
If we're trying to spice up brie, this is the one. We're getting into more fancy titles here. La delice de Bourguignon.
This sounds weird, but like this is like a wise old cheese. In a good way.
Okay, how do we, I think we have to spoon this.
This is a spoon. Whoa.
Whoa. This cheese has no scent.
Wow.
Ooh, baby.
I didn't hate that.
Ooh.
You're not a fan?
I did not like that one.
That is like, like the thing that people don't like about gorgonzola, the taste.
Yeah.
With the texture of like a melty camembert.
I don't know how else to say this, but the first taste I got was like permanent marker.
Whoa, I didn't get
know.
that. That I didn't get. Manchego. You can't go wrong.
One of my all-time favorite cheeses.
I associate you with Manchego cheese.
Gosh,
Like,
what an
that's-
honor. Okay, a little bit of a letdown, I will say.
Yeah. A little waxy. Parmesan, the godfather of cheese.
The classic. Thank you,
nice
ma'am.
parm. Like Manchego, like
Yeah.
there's good and bad parm.
Yeah,
This is like a grater.
not really though, because I want it to be like a little harder.
This is
so
like,
soft.
I need to grate Parmesan cheese and I have no one to impress.
Exactly.
I can't with this.
Okay, Gab.
I'm full of rage.
Well, let's try it. Look
This
at
is a
that.
cake.
It is layered cake. Fragrant, for sure.
What is this for?
I don't know,
I'm
Gab.
beside myself. I didn't like that on principle. Now that I've eaten it, I was right.
Still don't like it. It is very strong. If you don't, if you want a mild cheese, this is not it.
Because
Now, after all of our tasting, we finally get to
so
move
much
to the
cheese.
1,000-day Gouda.
what's the context? 1,000 days, like it's been sitting out for 1,000 days.
Just
It's been-
sitting.
It's been like forming for 1,000 days. What is the day? Like,
Regardless, it just sounds
I'm gonna eat
fancy.
it. I think it's nice that our last cheese I'm gonna serve you.
Oh my gosh.
It's a great Gouda.
I think it's a really Gouda.
It's so Gouda. What a treat.
Yeah.
I'm out of breath
Oh, how are you?
from this marathon of cheese.
I will say, I think you converted me, Gab. I really will say the creamy Toscano soaked in Syrah was my #1 favorite. Loved the mini Basque. I will be buying that again.
Loved the mini
For
Basque.
sure. And then I think, like, beyond the favorites, loved the Camembert, but this baked lemon ricotta.
Oh, but such a surprise. Now that's unexpected.
Yeah,
The unexpected cheddar was good, but this is unexpected.
that is a real winner.
Look at this pile of cheese.
We're just, wow. Gab, this was so much fun. Oh my gosh. My love for Trader Joe's cheese is just through the roof right now.
It made our friendship deeper. It made my love of cheese deeper, and we'll see you all next time on Taste Test.